Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You must start by confirming capabilities. iPhone 14 does not include a built-in Touch ID sensor, so the goal is choosing an alternative. First, go to Settings and install any pending iOS updates so security and accessory support are current. Next, decide whether you want Apple's supported path, unlock with Apple Watch, or a third-party fingerprint accessory. Once done, gather your Apple Watch OS updated, or the accessory and its companion app. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled before moving on. You can replicate Touch ID convenience by enabling Unlock with Apple Watch. First, confirm your watch is paired and on the latest Watch OS, and that both devices use the same Apple ID. On your iPhone, go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode, enter your passcode, then toggle on Unlock with Apple Watch for your watch name. Once enabled, you'll get immediate unlock when Face ID is blocked and your authenticated watch is nearby. Make sure wrist detection and a secure passcode are active to keep it safe. If you prefer a direct fingerprint sensor, choose a reputable accessory or MFI certified case and install its companion app. Follow the manufacturer's pairing procedure, usually Bluetooth, and complete the biometric enrollment inside the app, scanning multiple angles of your finger for accuracy. Once paired, test unlocking flows and configure the app to require fallback to your iPhone passcode when the accessory is unavailable. If it fails, restart both devices, reinstall the accessory app, and verify Bluetooth and background.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.